Hello, good morning. My name is Ankur Raj and I am here to discuss my ICPS project, which stands for Introduction to Cyber Physical System. Our project name is RFID attendance system using Node MCU, which is integrated with Google Sheets. So this is our hardware components. It is a ESP Node MCU module, EM18 RFID reader, and one LED which shows the success or failure of the attendance. These are the RFID tags, and this is our system. So what we have done is write the embedded C code for the node MCU to run, which includes LED, defining LED, SSID. This is the Google app script through which it is the hardware and the Google Sheets parts are connected. These are the different things. So this is our code, and this is our Google Sheet. Now you can see that the last entry is of 1112. There is no entry of 1113. Now we will one by one punch in the RFID tags and see the live data. This is the Google app script. This is the Google app script which handles the incoming data from the node MCU and parse it such that it will be correctly inserted into their own columns. Different columns are timestamp, RFID, name, role, and action. So this is the Google app script which is further deployed, and then the deployed URL is pasted into the Arduino Uno link script URL. So the hardware, so that way the node MCU and the Google Sheet is connected. And this is our front end for the attendance dashboard, which fetch data from the Google Sheets and shows the overview of the attendance. This is of the attendance of whole class each day. Like you can see, on 11/11 the most of the students were absent, and these are the endpoints. It has a auto refresh feature which auto refresh the page after 20 seconds. And this is the manual attendance search which you can see. So that let's take an example of roll number this. Now if we check this, we can see the attendance analysis of each student, such as Ankur. This is the roll number and this is the stats. Out of 8 class, he is present 7 and absent 1, and you can see percentage and the graph. So this is our dashboard which we have made. Now let's come to the hardware part, where we can see here is the output which says the system is connected, Wi-Fi is connected, node MCU is ready, and let's bring the RFID card near the reader. So as you can see, there is no output. Now we will take one card and start tapping. As you can see, the LED has flashed, which means the attendance was successful. And here you can see the RFID tag, name and roll number, and attendance recorded successfully. And when you punch in again, it will show already marked today. So let's come back to the sheet. You have seen it has been entered automatically. Just now there were no date of 11/13, but now you can see you have 11/13, and like that we can do different students like this. Second key. Let's try another key. So you have seen now there is another student, another tag, Abhishek. When we come back to the attendance sheet, we can see Abhishek is now punched in, and the dashboard is done refresh. So this was our project. It has a huge use case which it can be used in offices, it can be used in institutions or even schools. The use of manual attendance taking, such as the admin or the faculty or teacher which spend their class time to mark to take attendance, it can be removed. These keys can be integrated. There is a magnetic strip inside that can be integrated with the student's ID card or employee ID card, and they can just tap and punch in their attendance, which will save the time and energy. Thank you.